Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a mini micro handlebar. First, ensure you have the right tools, typically an Allen key and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, find the quick-release clamp located at the very bottom of the handlebar stem, where it connects to the scooter's deck. Carefully open the quick-release lever to loosen its grip. This initial step is crucial for safely proceeding with the handlebar's removal. Make sure the clamp is fully disengaged before moving on. Once the quick-release clamp is loose, you can begin to gently pull the entire handlebar stem upwards. It should slide out relatively easily. If you encounter any significant resistance, stop and re-examine the connection point. There might be a small, often overlooked screw or clip that needs to be disengaged first. Never force the stem, as this could damage the scooter's components or the handlebar itself. Take your time and be patient. Now that the stem is free, you'll need to separate the actual handlebar from the stem itself. Look for a small button or a spring-loaded pin on the stem, usually near the top. This is the locking mechanism. Press this button or pin firmly while simultaneously pulling the handlebar straight out from the stem. It should disengage with a satisfying click. Once separated, place both parts in a safe spot to avoid misplacing them. When you're ready to reassemble, first take a moment to clean all the components, especially the inside of the stem and the handlebar's insertion point, to prevent dirt from causing issues later. Carefully slide the handlebar back into the stem, making sure the locking pin clicks securely into place. Then, reinsert the stem into the scooter's base and tighten the quick-release clamp firmly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Always double-check all connections before riding for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.